Now our next question is, if E and F are two events such that probability of E is 1 by 4 and of F is 1 by 2 and probability of E and F is 1 by 8, so we have to find probability of E or F and probability of not E and not F. ठीक है? So two events are given E and F with this probabilities. Now we need probability of E or F and P of not E and not F. चलिए, so first of all we use one formula in sets, first chapter है ना, number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Now this formula we have. If we divide this whole by number of total outcomes, then what will happen? Number of elements in A union B, A or B, है ना? Union means or, so elements of A or B upon elements in S. So we can say it is probability of A or B. ठीक है? Outcomes favorable to A upon total outcomes means probability of A. Outcomes favorable to B upon total outcomes, probability of B. Outcomes favorable to A and B, intersection means and, so we can say this probability of A and B. So we get from this formula. ठीक है? Now what we have? P of E, instead of A we can use E, instead of B we can take F. So P of E we have, P of F we have, P of E and F we have, so P of E or F we can find. ठीक? चलिए, so now P of E or F we can use or, no problem, or union है, no problem है. P of E plus P of F minus P of E and F. We can write. Now its value is given 1 by 4 plus its value 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. Now simplify this. So LCM is 8. It is 2 plus 4 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 by 8 is the probability of getting E or F. ठीक है? This is for first question. Now for second part, probability of not E and not F. Probability of not E and not F. So it can be written not E. We can write E dash, and means intersection, not F means F dash. So it can be written like this. Now E dash intersection F dash by De Morgan's law, we can write this complement of E union F, complement of E union F is intersection of their complements. We have seen De Morgan's law, so we can write like this. Now it is probability of not E union F. It means P of A, we know P of A plus P of not A is 1. P of A plus P of not A is always 1. So P of not E union F, we can say 1 minus P of E union F. P of A will be 1 minus P of not A, or P of not A will be 1 minus P of A, and its value we have 5 by 8, so it will give you 3 by 8. ठीक है? So like this you can, so first chapter is important. Like this you can find probability of E or F or whatever given. What is probability of not E? probability of not E, we can say 1 minus P of E, means 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. What is probability of not F? 1 minus P of F, means 1 minus half. Okay. Now next question is, we have given P of A is 3 by 5, P of B is 1 by 5, then we need P of A or B if A and B are mutually exclusive events. So we know that what are mutually exclusive events? Two events are said to be mutually exclusive events if their intersection is null set. So A intersection B is null set. It means number of elements in A and B will be 0, and if there is no element in A intersection B, it means probability of A and B will be 0 only. It is not possible, and there is no sample point for this event, so this will be 0. Now P of A or B, we know that P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So since A and B are mutually exclusive events, so our formula can be P of A or B equal to P of A plus P of B, because this will be 0. Okay, we can write this formula, but if it is given A and B mutually exclusive events, our formula can be P of A or B equal to P of A plus P of B only. So it is now 1 by 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 0. So it is 4 upon 5 is the value of P of A or B if A and B are mutually exclusive events. Okay. Now the question is, events E and F are such that P of not E or not F is 0.25. Then we have to check E and F are mutually exclusive events or not. Okay. Now we know what are mutually exclusive events. The intersection is null set, means their probability should be 0. If probability of E and F is 0, then E and F can be mutually exclusive events. So from the given condition, P of not E or not F is 0.25. From this, you have to find probability of E and F. If it is 0, E and F are mutually exclusive. If it is not, they are non-mutually exclusive events. So what we have? P of not E or not F is 0.25. Now P of not E or not F can be written P of E dash or, means union F dash. Now E dash union F dash, by again De Morgan's law, it can be complement of E and F. Complement of intersection of two sets is union of their complements. So it is equal to 0.25. Now probability of not A is 1 minus probability of A. So this implies probability of E and F, 1 minus 0.25 will be 0.75. So which is not equal to 0. It means E and F are non-mutually exclusive events. For mutually exclusive events, probability of E and F must be 0. So these events are non-mutually exclusive events. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box.